Good morning. Welcome back to this channel. And how are you guys today? So, good morning again. It is a good morning. So, today we have decided to sow two more seeds, and we will be like, I'll be showing you the process and taking you along. And so, what I did today was the last efforts that I did for plants were a fail because the heat is too strong, and I just learned that if you sow the seeds, like new seeds, it is better to keep them in shade and a little not direct sunlight, so that it does not harm the plant and not dry the germination process or the seeds from inside. So we decided today to keep them like in a shaded place, separated but not completely, so that उसको कुछ nutrient मतलब as in sunlight मिले ही नहीं. Some heat is important obviously because it needs moisture. And so we loosened up the soil, we added a little vermicompost to the top layer, and I mixed it a little with the extra soil so that it becomes a good mixture of seeds, oh sorry, vermicompost and soil and moisture and everything. So these are the seeds of this particular cosmos plant, and we will sow them equally, and we will cover it with a little bit of topsoil so that it is covered completely. So we are doing that, and it is really sad. The heat is too much. My plants have dried up. I will show you in a second. I will keep that cover like this only, so that till the time it actually grows and I label them and it does not grow and it fails, I won't have to remove the strip and then add another and something like that. So जब तक वो बन रहा है, I would keep this wrapper like this only, so that मेरे को दिख रहेगी कौन सा है. ये वाला प्लांट इज़ डन. अब यही वाले प्लांट में, ये वही वाला मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी वाला प्लांट है बाय द वे, जिससे हमने मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी चेंज करी थी. सो वी हैव नॉट वाटर्ड दिस सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. तो I watered it thoroughly and put, like, again, this is vermicompost, and I will mix it up so that it is a good mixture of vermicompost and soil. अब ये लूजन अप तो नहीं हो सकती, बट जितना होता है लेट्स सी. So I don't know, this is like I have been thinking a little, and I want to post my face and I want to like greet you all nicely and meet you like really nice, but with face and like proper YouTuber kind of way, but it's just too much insecurity right now. These are the seeds of the plant of this, basically some like somewhat looks like a sunflower also, but like different. Even I have no knowledge, I've not seen this flower ever, but worth a shot. Anyway, so coming back, I really want to like show my face and come in front of the like screen and everything, but it's just, I think it's too overwhelming and I'm really scared I'll be really bullied by my friends, and not all friends, but sure. And I just want a little growth and platform till the time जब मैं इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि भाई ठीक है फेस दिखा सकते हैं या कुछ भी, बट इट्स जस्ट रियल ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि आई अगेन हाउ इट इज़, हाउ फ्रेंड्स बुली एंड हाउ दे टॉक बिहाइंड योर बैक, एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट. So anyway, let's see what happens to that. So anyway, also I ordered some seeds and it will be coming soon, so we'll be planting them also in the next video most probably. I'll post a short of that seeds very soon. So make sure you go and check out my channel and see all the shorts and updates we have. So yep. See, I've kept this in a really like a little shaded place, and these are my tools. Again, I'll clean this very soon. I have kept these flowers also idhar alag se. This was look at the morning glory. It was so fine and it has all dried up because of the heat. The plants above were marigold and carnation second, and I really hope it gets better from here now. So yep. So that's it for today, and see you soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and help me grow. So yeah, bye.